to the next example, example 13, and I have to write down a few things, so just bear with me. So we have mark, and then frequency. Okay, so we have 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, then 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, and then I think this one goes to, no, just 99. Okay. And then we're going to go 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 1, 2, 4, 11, 16, 24, 13. Wait. I think I messed up. I messed up right here. So the 4 goes there. And then 11. And 16, 24, 13, 6, and 2. Okay. So, there we go. That's the data, and the situation is estimate the standard deviation for the distribution of examination scores. So these are just scores on a test. So what we're going to want to do, if you remember on that, we had a previous lesson where we found mid-interval values, and so it's just going to be 4.5, 14.5, 24.5, etc. So you want to do that first. Find the middle value between these two. So you could just add them and then divide by 2, or you could just kind of reason through it. That was 44. 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, 84.5, 94.5. Okay. So when we have continuous data like this, we can only plug in one data point, and so we just want to do the middle point. It's an estimate. Okay. Now we're going to come back to here. We're going to do this on a calculator. And I might be wrong with this, but as far as I know, you can't enter frequency values into lists like this. You just have to enter 4.5 one time, 14.5 two times, this 2 times, or 14.5 one time, and then enter this one 24 times. We do have scientific calculators. I don't have a model of one that I can show you, but I'm just gonna brute force this. So clear this out. Let's see, delete. Okay, delete. Okay, so since we have 4.5, and then we have 14.5, and then there's two 24.5s. So I put that in twice, and then 34.5. There's 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're doing 44.5 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then 16 for 54.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 64.5 is 24 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Alright, now we got 74.5, and we got to do that 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, whoops. So that's 13, and then 84.5 is 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 94.5 is 2. Alright, hopefully I didn't make a mistake on that. So now we're going, so this is in list 1, we go to quit, we go to stat, over to calc, one variable statistics, hit enter, second, list 1, enter, we look at our standard deviation and it's 16.8, and so we got it. So standard deviation is 16.8. If you have additional questions, please come to Math Lab, and until then, calculator.